Yeah. Now let's continue, Tim. As part of PySpark integration with AWS, now let's understand how to connect Visual Studio Code to AWS instance, AWS EC2 over SSH. I want to create my PySpark programs in Windows, but those programs should exist in AWS EC2 machine. Then I need one SSH client. Along with SSH client, I need a development environment for my PySpark program, my PySpark environment. Then the most powerful IDE in real world, there are plenty of IDEs, and most popular one is Microsoft Visual Code. And my opinion, I'm saying most of the time I do not like Microsoft products, but my favorite Microsoft product is VS Code for developing Python based framework. Many people likes VS Code. Along with VS Code, we have PyCharm IDE, we have Spider IDE, plenty of IDEs which supports uh, writing PySpark programs too. In this, I'm going to explain VS Code, uh, connecting how to connect VS Code with AWS EC2 mission using uh, SSH. First, you need to install VS Code. In my mission, I already installed VS Code. Okay. And once VS Code installation is completed, you need to add SSH extension. You, you need to add SSH extension. How to add SSH extension is here you can see this symbol extensions. Click on this one and search SSH. You can see remote SSH from Microsoft. This is an extension developed by Microsoft to create a connection between your VS Code with any virtual machine. So click on this one. Here you can see install. In my mission, in my VS Code, I already installed. That's why it is showing uninstall. So I already installed. Then once this installation is completed, okay, you can see here this symbol greater than this symbol. You can see this symbol. This is extension for SSH. Once you can see this one, you can click on this one. Here you can see connect to host, and here you can see configure host. Configure host and select this dot .ssh/config. Here I already having a connection for Python EC2 mission. Just I am copying this one. I am making another copy. I am making another copy. In this another copy, I am giving name host alias name PySpark for AWS. Then host name means your public IP or public DNS. Go to EC2 mission, select your EC2 mission, select your public DNS, then paste that public DNS in configuration file, then username and identity file. Our identity file name is this one, PySpark for AWS key pair. Give that key pair name. Okay, click on save. Sorry, just remove this name, add our key file name. Then click on save this configuration. Now click on close this one. Go to again this remote SSH, click on this one and connect to host. Now it is showing two options, Python for AWS, PySpark for AWS. We created PySpark for AWS, right? Click on this one. Then it is trying to connect. But here we are going to get error saying select your virtual machine contain Linux, right? Select Linux operating system. Ubuntu is a Linux and click on continue. Here we are going to get an error. So we are getting error saying could not establish connection because of your key pair issue. Your key pair should be only read permission for your user. Other persons it should be 00. In Linux, we use command chmod 400 key file name, but here in Windows, this is the command to change file permission. Go to your configuration file, sorry, .pem file, then modify that configuration file name. Okay, then take this command, and open command prompt here. Open command prompt, then execute this command. So it is changed. Let's close this one. Once again, let's close our VS Code. Once again, let's open our VS Code. Now click on this remote SSH. Let's wait. Yeah, let's click on this remote SSH. Click on to connect to host. Select a PySpark for AWS. Now you can see it is going to connect successfully. Select Linux, and here you are going to see downloading VS Code server. It means it is successfully connecting. Let's open this one, okay, and go to terminal. Click on new terminal. You can see this is your Linux prompt. You can execute any Linux command. You can execute any Linux command. Now we are able to connect Linux mission successfully. Okay.